Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Nespresso's MELOZIO capsule. This capsule is probably my favorite one that Nespresso has to offer for the VertuoLine. I really like here on the packaging that it shows you what you're getting, of course, the MELOZIO, but then it also tells you the ounce that it's going to brew, and this barcode here the Nespresso machine picks up on, and it knows exactly the temperature and the ounce to brew. And so that's a 7.77 ounce cup of coffee. And then it tells you where it falls on the scale of intensity. And this is a 6, so it's right in the middle. It's probably why it's my favorite. It's not too strong, but it's a really nice blend of fine quality Brazilian bourbon and Central American Arabicas. So it's got a light roast to it. It's a perfectly balanced cup of coffee. I really like this one. You can't go wrong with this capsule here by Nespresso. I would highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.